made a new album and I really want to show you the new album. And it's made with Stamperia's paper, Lady Vagabond Lifestyle. The album is about 8¼ by 8¼ inch, and the spine is 1½ inch, 3/4 almost. And inside there are 3 pages with places for your photos and some other things you want to store. In the spine I have some embellishments, some coins. And the cover is made with the paper from Stamperia and some die cuts. You see them here. And this is Lady Vagabond, which and I fussy cut her from the paper and put her on some cardstock so I could lift her up a little bit. And then when you open the album, you see this. This is a photo mat. I didn't glue it down yet because maybe you want a bigger one or a smaller one, so it's changeable at this moment, and you can put your picture here. And these are 2 tags also from the paper and for something to write down. This is a pocket on this side and already some photo cards, photo mat with some paper, design paper. I told you there are 3 pages and they have all an insert like this. And I have enough paper, so if I want to decorate I could do it, but when you put your photo, maybe it's enough to decorate it with just plain cardstock. Then on this side, there's on the left are 2 flaps, and the flaps are 4 by 6, so you can put your picture here, your photo here, and a bigger one here. On the right side again, a pocket with some photo cards and also an insert. Here a pocket with the paper, beautiful paper. And here is our 2 flaps, but now they are horizontal, so you can put your pictures, if you have horizontal ones, you can put them here. And here also a place for a bigger one. And you can hear maybe, but they close with a magnet. And again, another insert, 3rd one. And here again a pocket, and you can put really a lot of pictures and photo mats, and bigger ones, smaller ones, so you can really choose what you want and put it here. And this is a little card place for journaling or some smaller pictures. And at the right side again, this one is the same. I didn't put a bigger card in, but you can easily like this. Yes, and so you make it the same as in the beginning. So like this. And also I made 2 tags for journaling or just for finishing your page. There are really a lot of little fussy cut things. You can also put some more in your album, but everywhere there is one little thing extra. And also here the cat. Okay, that is it. I hope you like my album, and I would appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, and maybe you will subscribe to my channel. See you at next time. Bye bye!